Welcome back to Brandout Consulting, where we're going to be doing a MISys video on jobs today. The first thing that we want to do is we want to click on our administration tab and make sure that our job tracking is enabled here, and we can require a job number if you so choose. So now we're going to go to master files and we can create a new job here. And we put in the name, new job 2. Put a description. Now, the reason we want to create jobs is so that we can track individual orders. So this is one way that we can keep track of orders that come in through MISys. So we have new job 2, and we can put our description in for, let's say it's pencils for our local school. There we go. And technically, that's all we have to do to create a job, so we can go ahead and save that. Quantities, cost, purchase orders, work orders, manufacturing orders, and history all will be filled out as we go along. So that's all we really need to do in this. Now, another way that we can create a job is if we go into our production and we create new, and in this instance, we're going to create a work order. So we go work order, we can put it pencils for school, and job number. Now if we put in new job 3, it will ask me if I want to create one. Pretty simple. So we can create a job here, and we can put a description. We don't have to, it's not required, and we can click yes. That's all we have to do to create jobs. And so you can do it either in the master files or in a work order or a manufacturing order. If you found any of this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment below and let us know if there's anything else you need. Thanks.